children, welcome back to social class. We already in which lesson? Block 14, types of food. How many LPs we already completed? 3 LPs, right? In first LP what we have discussed about? We have discussed about early humans, right? How they started grown to different kind of a crops. And in LP2 what we have discussed about? Steps of rice cultivation, right? How to grow rice crop. And in LP3 what we have discussed about? We have discussed about pulses and grains, right? Why we have to consume these pulses and grains in our daily food. What is the reason? So now we are going to start our LP4. So before going to start our LP, so tell me how many of you like to have biryani in our lunch as your lunch, or how many of you like biryani to have? Yes, most of us, like everyone likes biryani. There is no one who don't like biryani. Okay, so maybe it can we have a different kind of a biryani. Some may like vegetarian biryani, or some may like non-vegetarian biryani, right? So, but there is no one person in there. There is no one person who don't like biryani. So, can anyone tell what is the reason behind of that craziness of biryani? Why people like biryani that much? Yes. Okay, yes, because of that texture, because of that color, because of that aroma which get from the biryani, which we get from the biryani, right? So that color of the food and that smell of the food will tempt us to taste it, right? So whenever we want to taste any food, first we will taste with our eyes. Confused? Yes, whenever we want to try any food, first we will taste with our eyes, Nana. If the food is looking good if the food is looking good to our eyes, then only we will keep that food in our place, right? Otherwise, if it is not looking good at all, we won't touch it, right? But the matter of biryani, it always looks very delicious for the eyes only, and so we will get tempted, and what we do, we will obviously put in our plates because it looks very orange color and yellowish color with nice aroma, and with the texture will make us to taste, will tempt us to taste it, right? And that pieces of chicken and maybe the pieces of paneer or some vegetables will make us tempt to taste the biryani. So everyone likes to taste the biryani. So can anyone tell why the biryani is having that much craziness among the people? Yes, because of that spices which we use as ingredients to make the biryani. Yes, because of that spices only makes the biryani that much tasty. So I think up to now you have understood today's our lesson is about spices. And after that, if you are going to any restaurant, first what would you like to order? Like as a starters, we will order any soup or any starters, right? After that, what we will order? We will order any main dish like any biryani or any roti or any paneer tikka or any something dried curry. And after that, we will order desserts. Desserts means what? To have a sweet. Why we want to have a sweet? After eating a good delicious dinner or lunch, we obviously like to have a sweet, which is consumed sugar. Sugar makes us happy, right? It gives us kind of a happiness straight from in our body, and it makes us happy. So that's why we want to eat sugar. So most of us like to have a ice cream or any creamy cheesy cakes or pastry after eating or after having a nice dinner or lunch. So today we are going to talk about spices and sugar, which makes our food very delicious, right? So shall we start our lesson? So before going to start our lesson, I have some samples of spices with me. So let's check it out. How many of you can find out those names? How many of you can able to see and tell their names? Okay, shall we go? Yes. So are you able to see? Right now I am showing some samples of spices. So how many of you know the names of these spices? Yes, have you seen these spices anywhere in your kitchen, in your home, or in anywhere in any other shops or something? How many of you know the names of these spices, Nana? Can anyone tell what are these names? Can anyone guess what are these exactly? Yes, some may you can guess and some may not. Okay. So let's check it out. What are these spices names exactly? Right. So first, okay, what are these? Yes, these are red chilies, which makes our food very spicy, which makes our curry very spicy. Without this, we can't even cook our curry, right? So this is very important spice, and we use these spices in day to day in our regular cookings, right? So these are red chilies. And after that, what is this, Nana? This is a turmeric. This is a turmeric powder, and this is another one spice, and this is also important to cook our curry, right? Okay. So after that, what are these? Can anyone tell what are these? Have you seen them anywhere in your house? Yes, these are coriander seeds. What are these? Coriander seeds. I am sure many of us will eat this coriander powder, and our mothers will definitely pour this coriander powder in our curries. Definitely they will cook curries with this coriander powder, right? These are the coriander seeds. And after that, here I have mustard seeds. What are these seeds? Mustard seeds. What we call them as avalu in Telugu. So where our mother will put this avalu in tadkas. That means talimpus, where they will do talimpus to curries na. So there they will put these mustard seeds in curries. This is a spice. And after that, what I have here? What are these? Can anyone tell exactly? Can anyone guess what are these? Yes, these are fenugreek seeds. What we call in Telugu is mentulu. Okay, fenugreek seeds. These are also very important. Yes, so many of people nowadays these powder also they are keeping some little bit in the curries. Okay, so this is another spice which we have in our samples. After that, now, can anyone tell what are these exactly? Yes, these are elaichi. What are these? Cardamom or elaichi. Okay, so this is a elaichi, Nana. This one is a green color. Yes, we have this in elaichi two types. One is a grey color and another one is a green color. So after that, here I have, what are these? Pepper. Yes, now in our country we use chili powder a lot, but in other foreign countries people don't use much chili powder. Instead of chili powder they use these peppers. In peppers we have three types: white color, red color and black color. This is a black color pepper which makes the food very spicy. Okay, and after that, here I have another spice. Let me see. What are these? Yes, these are cloves. What are these spices called as? Cloves. Yes. And okay. Can anyone tell what are these exactly? Yes, these are leaves. But do you know the name of these leaves? These are called as bay leaves. Bay leaves. These are very important to cook biryani. And after that, here I have some buds. What are these buds? Yes, these are the dried kapok buds. What are these? These are dried kapok buds, and these are also very important to cook biryani. Okay, so after that I have, what are these? Can anyone tell? Yes, this is called as star flower. What is this, Nana? Star flower. And this is also very important to cook biryani, and which gives nice smell, which gives very nice aroma, nice smell to biryani. And after that, I have here some seeds. This is called as Sajeera. What is this? Sajeera. And here I have Ajinomoto. What is this? Ajinomoto, which gives very nice taste to biryani. So apart from these, there are a lot more spices. Right now I don't have any samples with me, but like a cardamom and cinnamon, and after that we have saffron, right? These are all spices which gives a biryani nice flavor. Okay, so one more time, everyone please go through these spices. Okay, so I think up to now you have got idea which are the spices which we use to make our biryani. Yes, I have two other more samples with me to make biryani. This is called as nutmeg. What is this? Nutmeg, we call it, this one in Telugu is jajikaya, which also used to make biryani, and this one is mace. Okay, so this is called as anasa puvu in Telugu, which one also used to make a biryani. These are the samples which I have, Nana. Okay, which are we use to make biryani, and also as well as in our daily cooking also, which makes our food delicious, spicy, and as well as which gives aroma and health too, right? So okay, so these are the spices which we have now. Right now we have seen as some samples. Let's check on the board. Okay, so what are the spices I have written here? Like turmeric, chilies, clove, fenugreek seeds, cardamom, saffron, cinnamon, cumin seeds, pepper, coriander, mustard seeds. These all are called as spices. Apart from these, there are a lot more spices which where we use regular basis and to put in biryani or cook biryani, like curry leaves and pudina, saffron, and there are a lot of spices we can mix with apart from red chilies we can use green chilies also to make it very spicy. So there are a lot more spices we have in our kitchen. So what you have to do, just run again one more time kitchen and just find out what are the spices which you have in your kitchen or which you have in your home. Okay, so today we have talked about spices which makes our food very delicious. Okay, tell me why we use these spices? To bring the flavor to food, and to have that aroma in our food, because all the time we taste the food with our nose and with our eyes. If the smell is good, if the texture of the food is very nice, it is attracting to us, definitely we all like to taste it. So biryani is having that good attraction power. So this is the reason why we add these spices to our biryani. But apart from that, is there any reason why we add these spices to our food? Is there any other reason why we add these spices to our food? Can anyone tell? Yes, apart from giving nice aroma and nice taste to these biryani and our curries, there are a lot more medical values are having in these spices. That is the reason why we use these spices to our curry. Let's check it out. What are those spices which are having the medical values in it? Okay. Children, what is this? What I have told about this one? What is the name of this spice? This is a turmeric powder. So, why we use this turmeric powder to our curry? Because this turmeric powder have a medical values in it. Okay, so if you have any cuts or scratches on your skin, we can put some turmeric powder on that scratches or on that cuts. So it works as antibacterial. So it works as antibacterial. So that is the reason why we put this turmeric powder in our curries, even though in our skin if we have any cuts or if we have any scratches. And why we put this powder in curry means so many kids have stomach pains because of ill digestion, because of they don't have a good digestion power. So turmeric powder will helps to make the food very nicely digestion. It helps to make it a nice digestion. So that is the reason we put turmeric powder in our curries. And also it will kill the germs if we have any germs in our stomach. Okay, and after that, what are these? What I have told about these are the cloves, right? These are the cloves. Why we use them cloves? What are the medical values we have in them? If you have any cavity, if you have any tooth pain, so what you can do is simply you can take one clove and you can chew or you can swallow the juice of keeping one clove in your mouth. So it will reduce the pain of that cavity. Okay, so this is the medical value which cloves has in it. And after that, what are these? These are the coriander seeds. If you have indigestion, that if any food is not properly digested to you, so what you can do is, you can take some coriander seeds and you can chew the coriander seeds. After sometimes you will get definitely relief. And what are these? These are, yes, elaichi or cardamom, green cardamom or elaichi. Why we use them? Because if you have any bad breath, because sometimes people, even though how much they brush, sometimes some people will get bad breath in their mouths. So what they can do, they can chew these elaichi so they can have good fresh breath in from their mouth. So this is the reason. And what is this, children? Can anyone tell what is this? This is a cinnamon. This is a cinnamon. This is a bark of tree and this is another spice. Okay, so this one also have a good medical values in it. If you have any headache or if you want to relief from that headache, simply you just put this cinnamon in hot boiling water. After some time you can drink that water, so there will be definitely relief from the headache. So these are the some spices which are having some medical values in it. So that is the reason why we are using these spices in our regular diet. Okay. So children, up to now we have talked about spices. Now let's talk about sugar. After having a great lunch or after having a great dinner, what we all want to have, like a nice sweet dessert, like having an ice cream or having any good cheesy cakes like pastries or any Black Forest cakes or red tooth cake. Like some may have some different tastes. According to their taste, they can order there, or they can cook the sweet dishes like gulab jamun, jalebi, right? So it gives like a kind of a happiness to have a sugar, to taste the sugar. So that is the why reason we always, or most of us, tempted to sugar, right? So can anyone tell how we get this sugar? Yes, we get this sugar from sugar cane. So why we add all these sugar and spices to our food? To give a flavor, to give a taste to our food. That's why we add these spices and this sugar to our food. Can anyone tell some dishes which we make with sugar? It's payasam, gulab jam, jalebi, ice creams. All these food items are used to make the sugar only, right? Yes. So that is our today's lesson. I hope everyone understood the lesson. Let's open your volume. So what is your volume? Page number 33. Yes. So what is the page number here? We have page number 33, Nana. So we are in the lesson of S4, sugar and spices. So what is the first question here? We have, fill in the word web with the names of the common spices that you know. Yes, up to now you know many spices. So just give the spices names in here. After that, second question, what is the first one? How can you make milk and porridge sweet? Okay. How can you make any item sweet? By adding what you can make that item sweet? You know the answer. And after that, which of the spices will you add to make your food taste spicy? Spicy means some kind of a hotness. So what are the spices which you want to add to your food which makes your food spicy, like chili powder or that pepper powder? You can give your answer. After that, do you know any special quality of spices? Yes, now only we talk what are the medical values which we have in some spices. You know the names of those spices and you can write the answer. Okay, I think everyone understood the lesson. Just find out some more spices if you can from your kitchen. Okay, so that is how you can understand the lesson very well. Thank you.